if you're anything like me, this is what you can't wait to see in your mail. The whole process took under 3 weeks from the time they purchased them online to the time I got my molds to create my molds. To the time I got them back. It has been phenomenal. It has been absolutely amazing, this transformation. Insurances are not very kind to people. I am learning that the hard way. I've been diagnosed with a neurological disorder that has caused me to have to step back from work, and I can't drive at the moment. So my confidence was going beep, boom, 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 boom. And losing my teeth on top of all this that's going on in the span of 4 months is a lot to process. And then I found pop-on veneers. And I was skeptical at first. I'm like, how is this going to, all the questions that run in your head. But their customer service team, by far, is an 11 out of 10. I've never met a customer service care team that cares so much about you and about your smile. Like, it's absolutely amazing. I picked the natural white. I didn't go Hollywood, but I tell everybody this is my Hollywood smile. And mature tan just felt like, well, if I'm going to have a brand new smile, it better be nice and beautiful. And these are what my teeth look like prior to after everything had happened. There are no top teeth up here, as you can see. These are my molds that I had created, and the video on that alone is so simple. When they send you your kit to make it, it is so simple, step by step. If you have questions, like I said, that customer care team is phenomenal. But follow the video, read the instructions, and you'll get it lickety split. You get 3 chances, and you'll get it. And they're in there really good. Like, I can eat like a hot dog, hamburger, and like with anything, you can get a few particles stuck in there, and all you got to do is snap them off. I mean, they're in there pretty good. And my nails are kind of brittle. But, see, and then your top. And this is what I had to deal with, and come on. I am so eternally grateful for this company. And then you hear the snap. It's not like they're going to fall out anytime soon. So if you haven't already jumped on the pop-on veneer and enjoy your smile, just do it already. It's worth the investment, and they offer payment plans. That's how I was able to do it, and you won't regret it, I promise. And if you have questions and concerns or anything, just reach out to their customer service. They'll get back to you just like that. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers, for everything. For this, I am eternally grateful.